Now, a few questions, please see. If A is equal to 4, B is equal to A plus 1, that is 5, C is equal to B plus 2, that is 7, show that cos square B by 2 is equal to 6 by 7. This I have left it for you, I am not solving. Another question, show in triangle ABC that sigma cot A by 2 by sigma cot A, sigma A whole square by sigma A square. Please solve this on your own. You have done sigma cot A by 2. Earlier you have done sigma cot A also. Please solve separately. Don't write in one all the things. Write numerator sigma cot A by 2 complete. Then write denominator sigma cot A complete. Then join them. Otherwise you will have to write all the things in one big fraction. Don't do that. Sigma cot A by 2 the numerator separately worked out. Denominator sigma cot A separately worked out and then joined as left hand side this by this. That will also give you, I am giving another important type, please see here. Such questions are also asked many times in the examination. I am writing important type. First of all, I will solve this question. When I have written important type, you will get 2 or 3 more questions of the same type for practice. Starting now, please see here. B plus C sin theta is equal to A given. So, sin theta is A by B plus C. Please note, we require cos theta. Cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta, the elementary formula of trigonometry. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Sin theta is A by B plus C being substituted now. Proceed. Nothing done, actually same thing is rewritten. Now I am taking LCM here. B plus C whole square minus A square. Numerator B plus C plus A, B plus C minus A, the work that you have done earlier many times. B plus C plus A, B plus C minus A by B plus C whole square. Cos square theta is equal to, this you know is 2s and this you know is 2 times s minus A by B plus C whole square. Understand? B plus C plus A is written 2s, B plus C is minus A is written 2 times s minus A. I am proceeding now. Numerator 4s into s minus A by B plus C whole square. 4s into s minus A by B plus C whole square. I am remodeling or rewriting, please see. Understand? 4 by B plus C whole square separated, s into s minus A separated. Multiplying by BC. And compensating that BC by division here. BC, 4BC by s into s minus A by BC, these two will compensate. I am proceeding. This is the formula for cos square a by 2. I want to remind you the formula for cos a by 2. S into S minus A by BC, under root is cos A by 2. This is not under root, hence cos square A by 2. So we have got cos square theta is equal to 4 BC by B plus C whole square into cos square A by 2. Take the root here, this will become cos theta. This will become 2, this will become root BC, this will become only B plus C, and this will become cos A by 2. 2 root BC by B plus C cos A by 2. Important question, please see important type. Some more questions of this type will follow. A few questions of the same type are here. If A is equal to B plus C cos theta, show that sin theta is equal to 2 root BC by B plus C cos A by 2. I have just solved a question of this type. Please solve on the same lines, you will get it. A is equal to B minus C secant theta, show that tan theta is equal to 2 BC by B minus 2 root BC by B minus C sin A by 2. Same type here also. Here you have to take sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. I am writing. Here you have to take tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. There won't be any problem in solving these two questions. Please see. This question again a number of times asked in many examinations. This question, if in triangle ABC tan A by 2 5 by 6, tan B by 2 20 by 37, find cot C by 2 and hence show that B is the arithmetic mean between A and C. An important question, please watch carefully. Given here is tan A by 2 5 by 6, tan B by 2 20 by 37. You have to find cot C by 2. Look here. In the beginning of this chapter, I have already given tan A by 2 plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. So using that formula, cot C by 2 is equal to tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2, and this is tan A plus B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Cot C by 2 is equal to tan A by 2 plus B by 2. There is a formula. So tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2 by 1 minus tan A by 2 tan B by 2. Proceeding. Tan A by 2 given 5 by 6, tan B by 2 given 20 by 37. I am substituting those values. See that tan A by 2 5 by 6, tan B by 2 20 by 37 are substituted. You could have cancelled this one also, but I did not do it. Numerator 100, denominator 6 into 37, 222. In the numerator, LCM. 6 37 times, so 37 into 5, 185. 37 here, 6 times, so 120. By here also LCM 222. 222 minus 100. Simple work, I need not explain. LCM proceeding. Common denominators disappear. Numerator 305, denominator 122. 185 plus 120, 305. 222 minus 100, 122. That is 305 by 122, or we can say 5 by 2 after simplification. So cot C by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. Find cot C by 2. This is your one answer you have proved. Something more is asked. Hence, please note, in so many questions they will write that word hence. Understand very clearly and forever what that hence means here. Hence means after proving this, continue to prove the other things. That is hence. Once again I am writing here. Hence here means afterwards. Elsewhere it may mean something else. Hence here means having found out cot C by 2, proceed after that, proceed with this to get the other result. We will see now. Tan C by 2 is equal to 2 by 5. Cot C by 2, 5 by 2, tan C by 2 is 2 by 5, and tan A by 2 is given. Five by 6. Once again I am telling you, you are solving an important question. Concentrate. Tan C by 2 is 2 by 5, tan A by 2 5 by 6 given, multiplying. Tan C by 2, you have the formula. Tan A by 2, you have the formula. Tan C by 2, this is the formula. Tan A by 2, this is the formula. See the numerator. Delta square by S square, S minus C, S minus A is equal to 1 by 3. Delta square, you know, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C by S square, S minus C, S minus A is equal to 1 by 3. Explaining once again, tan C by 2 into tan A by 2, 2 by 5 into 5 by 6, tan C by 2, this is the formula, tan A by 2, this is the formula, this is 1 by 3, delta square by S square, S minus C, S minus A, delta square is S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C by S square, S minus C, S minus A. Now see the cancellations. See here, S minus A cancelling, S minus C cancelling, S minus B remaining, S also cancelling. Is equal to 1 by 3. Proceed, cross multiply. Three S minus 3B is equal to S. Shift S here and shift 3B here. See here, 3S minus S, 2S is equal to 3B. And you know 2S is A plus B plus C is equal to 3B. 2S is A plus B plus C is equal to 3B. This B is shifted here. A plus C is equal to 2B. A plus C is equal to 2B means A, B, C are in AP. What is required to be proved? Same thing, B is the arithmetic mean between A and C. A small note before I close this one, please see here. A plus C is equal to 2B means ABC are in AP, or ABC are in AP means A plus C is equal to 2B. Two-way implication. A plus C is 2B means ABC are in AP. ABC are in AP means A plus C is equal to 2B. See geometric progression. Geometric progression also is two-way implication. AC is equal to B square means ABC are in GP, or A plus C is equal to 2B means ABC are in AP. These two are frequently used. That's why I have done it once again, having done earlier also.